Something I'm thinking about changing on my 911 997.1, the steering wheel. First of all, when I got it, I didn't like the steering wheel. But now, I'm kind of thinking, actually, I really quite like the style of it and how it is. I think maybe it's in keeping with the age and the car. I did think about getting one with the Alcantara on it. My AMG GTS had that type of steering wheel, a bit thicker. It was nice, felt good. But then when I got in this, I was a bit unsure. But now I'm of the opinion, well, maybe actually this steering wheel is what it should be for the car. And maybe I should keep it and not alter it. Now, I've looked at getting other additions, like a spoiler and things like that to the back. And I see them and I do like them. But I kind of quite like the toned down version of this, which is one of the reasons why I bought it. I don't want a big tail on the back. It's not a GT3, and so I don't want that. I think it also could attract attention when I'm driving around a bit more. These are quite subtle, these cars, as they sit there. What do you think? Would you change that steering wheel, or would you keep it original stock as it is? I mean, this is the base model. This isn't the S, so it doesn't have the steering wheel controls, and that doesn't bother me. I don't want the steering wheel controls. I've had a new Apple CarPlay system put in there and everything. That all works. It works fine, especially with these upgraded speakers that I've had put in. They're rather amazing. I'm really impressed with that. Now, I've had some amazing systems in cars over the years. I mean, I've had cars where I've had everything stripped out and big Phoenix Gold amps and subs put in and everything like that. And I'm thinking these speakers are absolutely fabulous. I don't know if it's just the confines of the tight cockpit or something else, but they do sound absolutely awesome, and I'm really pleased with that. And I know people say, well, you should be listening to the tone of the exhaust. That's great, and I do listen to the tone of the exhaust, but sometimes I want to listen to some music, or I want to do something else, and I want to enjoy the car. I'm doing 4, 5, 6 hour drives a day through Europe, and I want to be able to have options, and having options is always good. What do you think? Back to the subject in hand, the steering wheel. Should I keep the steering wheel, or should it go? Should it be changed? Please let me know in the comments. Be really appreciated. And don't forget to tune in over this next few weeks where I'm driving. There'll be videos going out about my trip across Europe, which I am so looking forward to. And hopefully weather's looking great as well. Very exciting. Anyway, thanks for getting this far. Really appreciated. If you don't mind, hit that like, share to like-minded friends. That'd be really appreciated. Makes a big difference to what happens with these videos. And if you're feeling really generous and you want to support a channel that's going to have lots of 911 content on it, then please hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video. Until next time, JP out.